Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Within the Form Customization window in QuickBooks Online, you can click the Content tab at the top of the window to view the form's content settings. Here you can edit the form's header, activity section, and footer by clicking the white pencil icons in the sections shown at the right side of the window to edit each section. After clicking a section, its settings then appear to the left. To edit the header, click the top section at the right to view its settings to the left. To add or remove fields, check or uncheck the checkboxes under the Header, Form, and Display sections. To add fields to a section that do not currently appear, click the plus field name link in that section, where field name is the name of the type of information to show, to add a checkbox and field for that information into that section. For many fields you add, you can also edit the display of the field's label by typing your desired value into the adjacent field to the right of the checkbox. To edit the activity section, click the middle section in the area to the right to show its settings back to the left. The activity section shows the items within the form in an activity table. For invoices, you can check the Show on Invoice checkbox under the Account Summary section to show an account summary in the invoice. For all forms, the Activity Table section lists the columns to show. Check or uncheck the column names to add or remove them from the table. Some checkboxes also have sub-checkboxes that you can check or uncheck to enable or disable additional settings for those columns. To change the order of the columns within the table, click and drag the 6-dot icon to the left of the column name up or down in the list, and then release it when it is in the desired position. The order the columns appear from top to bottom is the order that they appear in the table from left to right. To edit the column labels and column widths, click the Edit Labels and Width hyperlink to show fields and sliders to the right of the column names. To edit a column's label, change the value in the field that appears to the right of the column name. To adjust its width, click and drag the slider to the right of the label field to the left or right to make the column width narrower or wider. To show advanced activity options, click the Show More Activity Options link at the bottom of this section to show additional settings. Then check or uncheck any advanced options that are available for your form type to enable or disable the features. To change the footer section, click the bottom section at the right side to view its settings to the left. Under the Display section, you can check the checkboxes for Discount or Deposit to show those fields in the form. However, Deposit is not available for sales receipts as it would make no sense within that form. To add a message to the customer, type the message into the large field under the Message to Customer on Form Type label and drop down. You can set the font size for the message by using the adjacent drop-down field. To add additional footer text, type it into the field under the Add Footer Text label. Then set the font size and text alignment using the two drop-downs to the right.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.